The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet and is a place full of beauty and strange things. Today, we are going to explore one very interesting fish in this massively diverse ocean, the Garibaldi. What makes them so orange? We'll find out soon.
In desperate search for the answer to this question, 4 marine biology students have worked tirelessly to obtain the knowledge to answer it. Let's meet our crew of hardworking students. Hi, I'm Connor. I'm a 22-year-old kinesiology major and a lifeguard. I love to surf, dive, and swim in the ocean.
Hi, I'm David. I'm 19, an environmental science major. I enjoy surfing and playing water polo and just going to the beach.
Hi, I'm Madison, a 29-year-old preschool teacher who loves the ocean and scuba diving.
Hi, I'm Dawson. At 20 years of age, I still cannot get enough of the water. I love swimming, free diving, playing water polo, surfing, and anything else that deals with the water.
The Garibaldi is golden, just like the state of California. In fact, it's the state marine fish. They can live up to depths of 100 feet, which is the height of 2 school buses stacked end to end. That's almost 3 atmospheres of pressure. What is an atmosphere of pressure? It's when all the air around us has a little bit of pressure, and at sea level, we are only at 1 atmosphere of pressure. But what happens when we go underwater? Well, water is heavy, and as we go down further, the amount of pressure on our bodies gets stronger and stronger. Take this small ball, for example. At the surface, it's totally full, but down here, just below 30 feet, look how scrunched it becomes because of all of that pressure. Why then do they not get scrunched up like this bottle? Unlike this bottle, the Garibaldi have lived in this pressured environment for so many years, meaning their bodies are not affected by the crunch of the pressure.
We now know what depth these orange guys live at, but where do Garibaldi live primarily? Are they often by sand? Are they often by reef? The answer is they are often found in rocky reef areas in the temperate zone off of California's coast, like this. Often Garibaldi like to set up little nests. These nests are where they spend a lot of their time. Garibaldi are very territorial, so they protect these nests fiercely, much like a wolf. Unlike a wolf, however, Garibaldi do not travel in packs, but live fairly isolated from one another, only coming together to spawn. So now we know where they live, but what does the Garibaldi's life look like? Garibaldi live on average for around 12 years, and in this time, somewhat like us, they go through great change. As juveniles, Garibaldi are very small with vibrant blue spots, like this.
So now we know where the Garibaldi lives and what it looks like, but what does it eat? Like us, Garibaldi like to eat during the day and likes to eat things off the reef, including worms, sponges, small anemones, crabs, shellfish, and other little guys that live on the bottom.
It is thought by some scientists that the bright orange colorization is due to the corals and the sponges they love to snack on.
These bright orange California state fish have natural predators such as sharks, other fish, and sea lions, but their main threat are humans who trade them for aquarium use. But since 1992, they have been strictly protected from fishing and from the aquarium trade, meaning they are free to live long and happy lives everywhere along the California coast.
So what have we learned about our little friend the Garibaldi today? We learned he's a big orange fella. He can live down to a depth of almost 100 feet. We've learned this guy spends most of his time near or around rock reefs, and he is very territorial. We've learned that they live around 12 years, and their biggest predator was us. So next time you see a flash of orange when you're nearby a rocky California coast, what are you going to think of? And were you able to figure out what might make them so orange?